Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to make a line graph. So I will select at this example table and you can go to insert, click chart and you can click at these icons to use the line chart. As example, I will select this option and it will be automatically apply into the chart. If you want to change for the chart styles, you can click these icons. Like I will choose this styles, you can click to apply. And the next, if you want to change for the category in horizontal for the selection ranks, you can click select data. We have this horizontal category and you can click edit. And the next, I will select only the name. Click OK again to make change. Click OK again. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to make a line graph. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.